Hello everybody, I'm here with my dear friend Eleonore, an amazing multi-talented person. Hi Eleonore.
Hi.
What do you do in space?
Several things in space. I'm working as a postdoc in additive manufacturing and component reliability for metal parts. So we do different kinds of materials for satellite application, but also, for example, lunar lander applications. But on the side, I'm actually working a lot with analog space missions. I participate in space mission simulation, but also lead my own organization on that topic. I'm also part of the Swiss Space Museum.
And you are also an artist.
Well, yes, but for me, it's not going yet to space, you know.
And this is my next question. Why do you want to go to space and why space is important for you?
I would love to go to space because thinking that I'm on a rocket that might blow up, no, actually, joking. That's not the reason why I want to go. I want to go because being an astronaut is one of the biggest sacrifices and gifts that we can give to humanity and to science as a whole by giving parts of your time, your sweat, your muscles, your health, and also contacts with the outside. You are making sure that your sacrifice is actually worth to make science and human nature come forward. It's also just the thought of being outside, being floating, and microgravity or zero gravity actually really excites me. So it's the whole package, really.
And if there is one person that will go to space, this is you.
I wish.
Now, one last quick thought, your take about the ASTROBEAT mission, both about the scientific part, since you deal with materials on a daily basis, and the artistic part.
So I think the ASTROBEAT is a fantastic project, both from the material science part and the artistic part. For the material science part, it's from the simplicity of the project and the kinds of problems that it would be able to solve. And from the artistic part, well, when you think about space, we're not thinking just going to the moon, coming back. We actually want to stay there. We want to go to Mars. And for this, we're going to need all the faces of the human side. So it's not just engineers, it's not just scientists, although I love engineers and scientists, but it's also our artistic fiber. When we want to go to space, or even when we fly, when we dive, you have this feeling of beauty and wonder, and having on top of this music is one of the fantastic extras that we can get. So ASTROBEAT really encompasses all of this together, and that's why I think it's a wonderful project.
Thank you very much, Eleanor, and see you up there.